Hey guys, welcome to Writing Today. So I'm going to go over really quickly what you're going to do today in writing. Okay, so remember this journal that Mrs. Hiller gave you back when you came at the beginning of the school year. Okay, now if today you cannot find yours or you've lost yours, all you need to do is just get out a piece of notebook paper. Okay, we did one of these in August. Okay, so if you didn't do the one in August, that's okay. Okay, but today we're going to do the one for September. So we're going to do one each month. Okay, so real quickly, because I haven't written in mine yet, I'm going to write my name on the front. So if your name isn't on the front, go ahead and do that. And I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you the page that we're going to use today to help us. So each month there's going to be these little writing prompts, okay? And basically they're just to give us ideas at what we want to write about, okay? So we are in the month of September, right? So we're going to look at these writing prompts. It says, I like September because my favorite thing about kindergarten, first or second so far, is blank. At school, I like to. All about Labor Day, which that was a couple weeks ago. We didn't have school on Monday. In my backpack, I have all about apples. After school, I like to. All about my grandparents. And I help at school by blank. So those are some ideas of things you can write about for this month, okay? You don't have to use those ideas, but you can. So it just kind of gives you an idea. So at the beginning of the year, we are going to start by just writing 3 really big, juicy, good sentences, okay? As we go on, I'm going to have you write more, okay? If you want to write more, that's awesome. But when I say a big, juicy sentence, I don't mean I like apples. They taste great. Eat some apples. Those are not big, juicy sentences. Those are boring, short sentences. And I want big, fat, juicy sentences. So, for example, let's say I'm going to choose all about apples because I am going to go to the apple farm this weekend with my family. So, I'm going to write about it. You could choose any of these other ones, or you could choose your own one. Maybe you could write about fall if you want, or write about what you did last weekend, or your birthday if it's in September, whatever it wants to be. These are just kind of ideas for if you need some. Okay, so I'm going to write about apples. Now, let me show you a big, juicy sentence about apples. So let's say, I'm going to say, apples can be different colors. Period. All right, so now notice my sentence has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words in it, so that's good. It has a capital at the beginning. It has a period at the word at the end. I'm sorry, and it doesn't just say apples are colors, right? That's not long. That's not big. That's not juicy. Okay, let's think about. Remember, I said I have to have at least 3 sentences, so I could say, I am going to the apple farm with my family. All right, again, I have a capital. Let me fix my I there. I have a period at the end. And look how many words I have in my sentence this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, 10 words in one sentence. You go, Miss Solar. Okay, so I am going to the apple farm with my family. Boom. What else should I say about apples? Because I need 3, right? I only have 2. So I could say, I like to eat warm apple pie. Oh, because it's so good. Sometimes I like to eat it with ice cream. It's delicious. You should try it. And if you do, bring me a slice, all right? Okay, so Notice again, I have a capital, I have a period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. So it's a nice big sentence. Now I want to show you something in my last sentence specifically that talks about one of the things we've been talking about this week, right? Adjectives, describing words. We're not just talking about adjectives to learn what an adjective is and give it to me in a sentence. I want to see you guys using adjectives in your writing because it makes it more exciting. So my example, my adjective right here is warm, right? Because apple pie is my noun and I'm describing it by saying it's warm. Listen to my sentence without it. I like to eat apple pie. It's a pretty good sentence. But listen to how much more when I read it with the adjective, how you can almost taste the apple pie. I like to eat warm apple pie. Now, when I read it, I can picture a nice steaming bowl of apple pie. Okay? So, when you describe the things you're talking about and you use those adjectives, your writing sounds so much more exciting, right? So then, after you've done your 3 beautiful, big, juicy sentences, up here, you're going to use crayons or markers, and you're going to draw a picture. Here's my apples. Now, yes, I know my picture is not very exciting. Ooh, there's Mrs. Hiller. You're so cute, Mrs. Hiller. Here's my kids. Here's my baby. And here's Mr. Hiller. Now, I obviously just did a real quick picture. I want you guys to do a nice, beautiful picture. And remember my rule about how many colors? Does anybody remember? How many did I say? At least, wait, there's my hand. At least 5 colors in your picture. Don't just color your whole picture red because we're talking about apples, right? Nice, beautiful pictures, beautiful colors. Then have mom and dad send me a picture of your beautiful writing. And I can't wait to see your big, juicy sentences and all the adjectives you're going to use. All right. Happy writing, guys.